Sherry Hoffman deserves a round of applause. She was the acting legislative director yesterday in Congresswoman Louise Slaughter's office from the Rochester, New York area. She told me that today she is no longer acting. She is the bona fide legislative director for Louise Slaughter's office. But as you heard, Wade Norwood was unable to attend, so she's kindly agreed to step in and tell us a little bit about Wade in his absence. So, Sherry, thank you.
I bring you greetings from both Congresswoman Slaughter, who could not be here this afternoon, and also from Mr. Norwood, who you've heard. I say that he was so busy protecting the public's health that maybe he neglected his own health a little bit and has a lung infection. But we're so incredibly proud of the work that Wade Norwood and the Finger Lakes Health Systems Agency has done in Rochester, and it's been a real joy for me doing health issues for the Congresswoman to learn how advanced really Rochester has been and out front in a lot of the healthcare reform areas that we worked really hard to move forward for the whole country. Rochester has been a model for a lot of those things. So I just wanted to read a little bit from a statement for the congressional record that the Congresswoman submitted today on behalf of Wade so that you can learn a little bit about him. Wade has dedicated his life to ensuring long-term community change for today's families and future generations. When it comes to public health, he is a true rock in the pond, advocating for the betterment of our community with a keen interest for the underserved and the most vulnerable. He gives a voice to those who do not have one and advocates healthcare equity for all, whether in his role as Director of Community Engagement at the FLHSA, as pastor of the Holy Jerusalem Spiritual Church in Rochester, or as a member of the New York State Board of Regents. At Finger Lakes, Wade plays a crucial role in convening programs that improve public health, such as the Local Partnership for the Uninsured, the Rochester Area Task Force on AIDS, the Coalition to Prevent Lead Poisoning, the African American Health Coalition and the Latino Health Coalition, and Healthy Kids, among others. And I'll spare you all the details of each of those programs. And just wrap up by saying whether it's through his extensive work with Finger Lakes Health Systems Agency, on volunteer boards in his parish, or in the many civic roles that he holds, Wade embodies the Rock in the Pond award he has received. He makes a difference in the health and well-being of all in our community, and I ask my colleagues to join me in honoring Mr. Wade Norwood for his commitment, his selflessness, and his passion to improve the health and the lives of all those around him.